Welcome back, children. A very warm good morning to all of you. Today we are going to start with our diary entry. But before proceeding with that, let us recapitulate what we have studied a day before. We studied about the message writing, isn't it, no? How to convey our feelings, our emotions, or sometimes when we have to give an important informations. So we discuss about the message. That message can be sent in a different manner. It can be a sympathetic manner, sympathizing message. It can be a thank you message, or it can be a appreciating message. Okay, today we will be going to read about diary entry. Now everybody is having a diary at home, isn't it? You must have seen the diary. In the diary, date and name are already mentioned there. But the time when we are going to write the diary, here diary means we are keeping a written record of our personal experiences, thoughts and feeling. That means whatever has happened in our day-to-day life, we just want to jot down whatever the experience we have. Maybe one day the day is very joyful. Another day it might be somewhere we get a scolding from our parents and it becomes gloomy, isn't it? So that is the things which we are going to enter in our diary. Enter means we are going to write down our own experiences with the diary. Okay, because there are many of the things which we don't want to share with our parents, with our friends. So diary is one of the things with which we can easily able to write on that our experiences, and finally we get relaxed after sharing the things with the diary. So here, why we are reading this diary entry? So that we should develop our writing skills. Along with that, we should know what is the exact format of diary writing. Now children, you see here that when I am writing the diary, I have made a box with the blue color. Okay, so when you are going to write the diary, make a box like this, the way I have made. Okay, then when you are writing the diary, make another box in which you will be going to enter day and date. So you have seen I have written the day Friday and I have written the date of yesterday. Okay, so because I am writing my experience which has already happened. Okay, so 29th of May. Then when do we write the diary? When the day is about to conclude or about to end. So we prefer to write the diary after 10 o'clock. So I have written the time 10 p.m. night. Then as we are communicating with the diary, here we can use the word dear diary. Although nowadays we rarely write dear diary in our diary writing, but as in your book it is given, so we will be going to write here dear diary. We are addressing to the diary. Then when we are writing the body, these are some of the important points which you have to consider. You have to take into consideration. The most important point which I told you is write the day and the date. Secondly, write the time. Then when we are going to write the body of the diary, it should be always written with the first person pronoun. It can be first person pronoun singular, it can be first person pronoun plural. So we can use I or we. Then the experience which we want to share, it should be always written in the correct order. Okay, then as it is a feeling of ours, so here we don't have to become very formal in writing the things. We can use the informal way of language. Then as the things has already taken place in the past, so the content which we are going to write, we will be going to write again in the past tense. It can be past simple, past perfect continuous, or so on. Okay, then the time when we are going to begin, as I told you, we have to begin with the salutation, as we have written dear diary. So salutation is very important. And then when we are going to conclude, we should always conclude our diary either with a wish or a hope or any decision which you have made, or a promise which you have made to yourself, or any sort of conclusion. So these are the very important points which you have to take into consideration while writing the diary. Now let us read what is written in our diary. The first line which I have written, you see, I really had a great day today. So the time when you are going to write the diary, the first sentence should always be written in that form. You have to express your day. It can be a gloomy day, it can be a joyful day, it can be a great day, or it can be a day of sorrow. So anything which has taken place on that particular day, that has to be mentioned in the very opening line of the diary. Then you proceed with the correct order as I have given you. Okay, so here I turned 9 years old. I had my favorite cake. So here the child is talking about her own birthday, and she is saying that she is now 9 years old and how the birthday was celebrated. So she got the Black Forest cake. Then my best friend Deepa got me a big jigsaw puzzle, and my other friends made a beautiful wall hanging of a dog for me. Okay, then my parents are planning a trip to Kerala this weekend so that we can celebrate my birthday. And this is how the sequence should be there. And the time when we are going to end, as I told you, when we are going to conclude our diary, it should be end either with the wish, hope, decision or conclusion. So here the feeling we have expressed. So I am feeling so happy and loved today. Okay, so this line should be mentioned there. And then lastly you have to write the name of yours as you are writing the diary. Nobody else can write the diary for you. You have to write the diary for yourself. You have to share your own personal experiences, your thoughts and feeling. Okay, so write down all these points in your copy, in your English copy, and then further we will be going to do the exercise from the textbook. Okay.